What's up, guys? I'm going to go tornado chasing, which is pretty hard to do because I might fly in the air or something, but it's still fine because I still can. Because I'll just respawn to another thing. But a tornado in midnight, that would die. Taken. Good. We already caught it! We already caught a tornado. Where is it? Oh my gosh! Rotation! Rotation! This is actually a bad idea. It's gonna be a bad idea because... Yo, I gotta get over there. Rotation! Everyone, go to your right. Damn, this is a big tornado. This is a big ass tornado. Oh, sorry. Sorry for going in your lane. I'm so sorry. Bro, is there another tornado in the background? Yo, it's forming on top of me! No way! I got it! Tornado! I got the tornado! Dude, I actually think we gotta move. We might gotta move. We need a forward distance from this actual tornado. It's like so hard. It's going like doom doom. I'm gonna listen to Taiwan User Soldier because he's the one who's good at this game. Who's this guy in front of me? Oh my gosh. Yo. I just saw debris. Bro, we gotta go. Bro, is there another tornado back there? Don't tell me this is the El Reno tornado. I'm running out of light. We're also running out of lane too. Shoot, I'm not gonna cut you. No, the tornado's picking me up. Shoot, I'm pressing the launch button! Bro, I'm done for. might be the tornado. I'm on the edge of the superstore. I should really turn around and get Taiwanese soldiers. I'm recording. It passed. I'm going fast. Well, I got scared at that point. The storm is far. I'm a fool. Bro, why do you always have to go on my videos, bro? Yo, there's a rain-wrapped tornado. It's right inside I see hail. Whoa. There's no damage. But there's this green type of fog over there. Please don't hit me, hail. I'm shaking, bro. The car's shaking. What the heck is that? What the? What is there a new cloud forming? I just pressed this guy called Roman. It's over there! Bro, it just disappeared into the hail.
National Weather Service in Hazleton. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of. This dangerous storm was located near Hazleton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Almora. Should move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
stop here. Let me stop here. It formed that here ramp. It's so gone, bro. I'm in Hazelton. I'm in Hazelton. Yo. Oh, what is wrong with this? Is that a dust ball? Ah! The tornado was just over there. Yo, that was actually so good that it felt like it was El Reno. Bro, it's right behind me. Dude, stop shape shifting, bro. Yo, that tornado's actually big. That tornado's big. This is getting. Oh, I cannot see. Tornado is all the way over there, and I cannot see. Let's go. Whopper, Junior double. Yo. The tornado's all the way over there. Did I just go over here for no reason? The tornado's leaving? No! Yo, it's snowing. So fun. No way. I don't even see. I can't even